Hi, I'm Lexi from LTOGuidePH.com. If you're planning to get your first driver's license in the Philippines, this video will walk you through the complete process, from getting your student permit all the way to your non-professional driver's license. We'll also share some tips to help you pass the LTO written exam and practical driving test on your first attempt. Let's get started. Step 1. Get a student permit. The first step for most new drivers is obtaining a student driver's permit. To qualify, you must be at least 16 years old, have parental consent if you're below 18, be physically and mentally fit to drive, be able to read and write Filipino, English, or a local dialect. You'll need a PSA, birth certificate, or valid passport, a valid government-issued ID, a medical certificate from an LTO accredited clinic, a completed LTO application form. Before applying, you must complete the 15-hour theoretical driving course, also known as the TDC. After submitting your requirements and paying the fees, LTO will issue your student permit. Step 2. Practice driving. Once you have your student permit, you can start practicing on public roads. However, remember, you cannot drive alone. You must always be accompanied by a licensed driver holding a valid non-professional or professional driver's license. This is your opportunity to gain real-world driving experience and become familiar with road signs, traffic rules, parking, and vehicle control. If you need help learning road signs and pavement markings, check out our traffic signs and road markings guide here on the channel. Step 3. Complete the PDC. Before applying for a driver's license, you'll need to complete the Practical Driving Course, or PDC. The PDC includes actual driving lessons and training with a driving school accredited by LTO. The number of hours depends on the vehicle category you're applying for, such as motorcycle or car. After completing the course, you'll receive a PDC certificate, which you'll need for your application. Step 4. Apply for a non-professional driver's license. After holding your student permit for at least 1 month and completing the PDC, you can apply for a non-professional driver's license. Visit an LTO office and bring your student permit, medical certificate, PDC certificate, valid ID and supporting documents. You will then proceed to the examinations. Step 5. Pass the written exam. The written exam tests your knowledge of traffic rules, road signs, driving laws, safe driving practices. Many applicants fail simply because they don't prepare. To improve your chances of passing, watch our LTO Exam Reviewer video right here on the channel. It contains practice questions and explanations similar to what you'll encounter during the actual exam. Step 6. Pass the practical driving test. If you pass the written exam, you'll move on to the practical driving test. During the test, the examiner will evaluate vehicle control, parking skills, proper signaling, lane discipline, traffic awareness, safe driving habits. Stay calm, follow instructions, and always demonstrate safe driving behavior. Remember, the examiner is looking for safe and responsible drivers, not perfect drivers. Step 7. Pay the fees and receive your license. Once you've passed both exams, you'll pay the required fees, have your photo and biometrics taken, and receive your non-professional driver's license. Congratulations! You are now officially licensed to drive in the Philippines. Getting a driver's license may seem complicated at first, but if you follow these steps and prepare properly, the process is straightforward. For additional help, Don't forget to watch our LTO Exam Reviewer 2026, Traffic Signs and Road Markings Guide, Student Permit Complete Guide, Practical Driving Test Tips, all available here on LTO Guide PH. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest LTO guides and updates. I'm Lexi from LTOGuidePH.com. See you in the next video!